Hello and welcome guys. In today's session, I'm going to talk about reusable layouts and going to build one login and sign up page. This video is a part of Blazor series starting from fundamental of Blazor. If you are interested in learning Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. So here I have a Blazor application. I design one login screen here. If I click on sign up, it's going to sign up. If I click on sign in, it's again going to sign in page. But as it is, you can see the login page coming with the menu, but it is wrong. Normally login page stand alone. So how I can do this? So by default, our all the pages are inheriting the layout of main layout. If you go to shared folder, you can see it is main layout, and it is inheriting the layout component base. It is an important interview question. What is the base class of layout? It is inheriting layout component base. So all the pages which are present inside this page folder, all these pages are inheriting this main layout. Okay, I want that my particular login page, here I created two page, one login page and one sign up page. In sign up pages, I have created edit form, created a model here, user model, username, password and confirm password. In case of login, I have created the same user model and only email ID and password. When I am running this application, you can see login is, after login it is coming to home. If I click on logout, it is coming to the first page, okay, without any address. Let's create our own layout page so that we can override this problem, this menu problem. So how to create our own layout? In the shared folder, add a Razor component. So here I am giving login layout, and same as main layout, I am going to inherit the layout component base. I don't need this one. I'm just giving some break. Okay, this is login layout. Next, to identify the application that these two particular Razor component will be accessible to this login layout, we are going to declare here layout equal to login layout in sign up and in login page. Run the application now. Okay, I missed something in my login layout. I need to give a body. Here I need to declare body. So automatically system will understand my all the this particular HTML code will go into this body part. Run the application and see. So you can see it's a login page is coming, but there are no navigation menu. I'm clicking on sign up. It's going to sign up page. You can see in address bar. Clicking on sign in, it's coming to again back to sign in. Guys, don't mind about this design, because as I automatically this navigation bar remove, automatically this design got little bit changes. Okay, so my point is now it is okay if I click on login, then only after login only it is coming to our menu and navigation page, and click on logout, again going to logout. But one thing here you can see in sign up pages, and in login page I'm repeating the code, repeating the CSS class, repeating this image, everything. How? But as a good developer we don't repeat code. So how we can overcome this? For this we the nested layout component. So again I'm going to create one more layout here. I'm just razor component, I'm giving this is a nested layout, and it will also inherit layout component base, and the main layout will be here login layout. Next, from all this tile to this container I'm taking this complete part to here. I'm just deleting this div. In this div I want to show my body part. Okay, so I don't need this one. Now here also I don't need this particular all the code here. I'm deleting this code completely. Next, I don't need this also. Here we are this login and sign up pages, first inheriting the login layout. Now our login layout is calling by nested layout, and we are going to call this nested layout. So here I'm going to call nested layout in login and in sign up. Nothing is going to change in front end, but our code is getting reusable now. Let's see. You can see nothing got changed. Click on sign up, register. Nothing got changed here, but we are doing reusability of code using a nested layout. So our sign up and razor and login razor is very lightweight. But you can mark here that in case of these particular pages, we are not declaring any kind of layout, this counter, anything. But in case of sign off and razor, we are declaring the layout. So to overcome this, to no need to write this code every time, here I created one folder. In that folder I kept this login and sign up. So here I am going to create one import.blazor. So r razor component, here underscore imports. So here you can see particular underscore imports of razor, how they are doing. So here I am going to do layout, nested layout. I'm going to remove this now from sign up page and layout login page. So inside of login I'm keeping import.razor and login and this one. So any pages, any other razor page I'm going to keep inside the login, no need to declare the layout. So rerun the application. You can see here sign up, register, we can log out, we can log in. We are doing reusable with nested layout, and we are doing reusable of code in import.razor. The same thing we can do like import.razor. We are importing all these things for our page section. If we want to import this section inside our login also, we can add this like this. Rerun the application, nothing will change, but again no need to import or using inside of sign up and login page. In this way we can create login page and sign up page, or we can create standard alone page, or we can reuse our layout. Right, I think you understand very well. To create a meaningful video require lots of effort. If you like my video, give me a like, share this video with your friends. and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.